Alright guys, well, like I said in the last video, we got the radiator in, we got it full of coolant now. No wet spots, which is great. Move on. We did talk about in one of the other videos how this got chewed up when we were taking it apart. So Bobby's just going to cut the very end off. Let's see. Reflare it. Put a shorty like that. Glad I can disconnect it right there, because that's the one that goes to the back. And then we'll be able to get that all reinstalled and bleed the brakes. And then yeah, get it fired up, put some trans fluid in it, and start doing the steps. Get the transmission bled out and full and ready to go. Double check the coolant, make sure we get that all bled out. And yeah, little by little bit. Alright guys, watch a quick update right now.